FEO N54 335i. My boy's hungry. He's trying to go get some food tonight. On our way to Mexico right now. That guy. But we'll keep you guys posted. Mexico run's coming shortly.
be precautious. Always be precautious. Crazy thing is I'm not even on my drag pack right now. That's the crazy part. Adrenaline rushing. tires, yo. I'm not even on drag pack and that got sideways. Oh my god. Always respect the power, you guys, when driving these high-end cars. Like, I'm a little shaky, but I don't know if it's because it's cold or I don't know, man. My boy Groovy is eating tonight. I'm about to catch up with him. Big Joe. My boy happy for me, man. That shit was a good ass run, not gonna lie. That's the way it's how it is. Hey! That guy's eating right now, yo. Straight uncut. We gotta catch up to him. Damn. It's cold outside. I think it's boost weather, yo. It's straight up boost weather. Beautiful, beautiful runs with my F80 X brothers. You guys, man, we basically saw them at the meet. We're pulling up to them right now. I'm gonna pull up next to Groovy, see what he's thinking. But God, man, my boy Groovy ate. My boy ate. My boy ate. My boy ate today. Damn, crazy, bro, crazy. That guy needs to get back on the YouTube. That guy needs to get.
I kept up with you.
Yeah, true. I seen that.
I need that video.
Sheesh. Facts.
Alright, see you later.
It's good. But yeah, that shit was dope. Not gonna lie. It's always dope to catch some fun runs, especially when it's with the homies. Man, we was literally cruising. We were cruising, and they literally, like, they didn't fly by us, but they were coming through on the right side. I seen them. Oh, fireworks on the right, airport to our left. Sorry, fireworks to our left, airport to our right. I gotta slow down now. I gotta let the homies catch up and stuff. But man, dude, super adrenaline packed and everything. I really gotta slow down now. Let the other gang pop. What's it called? They catch up and everything. But cool little, short little segment video. Like I said, man, the crazy thing is I'm not on my drag pack right now. That, I think it was the third run. That third run was many. I damn near, I felt it going to the left, and when I looked, I was basically heading to the wall. I had to let off, and luckily, I saved it. But that's what I'm saying with these cars. They're typically, no car is predictable, especially when you're running some, like, not slicks, but I'm running some skinnier tires in the rear for proper fitment. Next setup, hopefully will be, my 305s, my stocks back in the rear, and I'll throw my more aggressive setup from the rear to the front, so I have a good fitment in the front, and I have drag pack in the rear in case any Mexico runs appear whatsoever. But hey, the important part is we all got some good runs. It was a safe, smooth, from the start to the end. That's all that matters, Good thing is right now we're all heading home, so yeah, I mean, shoot, man. A super dope way to a super dope way to just close out the Friday night, 4th of July weekend. I gotta hopefully edit this video soon. It's gonna be basically the thing I love about these videos is it's literally just uncut. It's raw footage. Literally grabbed my GoPro from under my seat, put it on, hit the record button, looked over to Groovy, and he said, "Let's go." We downshifted and caught up, and we got those runs in, man. Like Groovy said, he wants that video, so I'm gonna try to get that out to him. Super dope turnout though. Great way to close it out, man. That smile, man. My gas is running low, but it's okay, that's what it's about. With that being said, don't forget to check out the channel. I'm gonna tag my homies IGs in the videos, check their builds out as well, follow them on the gram. But like always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, keep it authentic, stay safe in Mexico, y'all. Until the next one, peace.